coincident mat. Now we will see other types of mats. So just browse next part. We will browse the same part. See, we browse the same part, and if you want, there is another method to browse the same part. Just press Ctrl, click the part and just drag out. Now see, we just drag one part from this current part. Just right click in any one part, delete. Yes, now the see one part is deleted. Now we will make some relation. We will see another mat. Choose mat. There are many mats: concentric, tangent, perpendicular, parallel. Select this face, this face. Now it is showing coincident, and here options undo, flip mat. Just select flip mat. Now see, select OK. Now see, both in same plane, both the mats. This is flip mat. Now there is one more mat, concentric. Click concentric, select this circle and select this circle. See, it is going to fix there. If you want flip, OK. So this is the another type of mat. Select OK. Coincident mat. I hope you like it. Then there is one more mat, parallel. Just select this face, this face. See, it is rotated. Now it is the same. So this is called parallel mat. Select OK. So these are the two types of mat. We will see few more mats in next lecture. Select OK.